Dahil mababalik ang Speedy G, pahingi naman ng isang sample para makita nila. Magbibigay ka ng word and then in 1 minute or minsan 30 seconds, basta kung ilan yung timer mo, mahagawa siya ng whatever, kung anong tungkol dun sa topic na yun.
Tapos hindi siya hindi siya planado.
Yes, hindi siya planado, hindi siya scripted. So, magbibigay lang tayo ng word sa kanya. Okay, the word is baby.
Baby? Oh my gosh!
Kahit Tagalog, okay lang.
Okay!
1, 2, 3, go!
Alam mo, totoo talaga ako. Sila mo nung karoon akong baby. Sabi ko talaga sa sarili ko, talaga ayoko talaga magkaroon ng baby. Tapos sabi ko, alam ko natin magkaroon akong baby. Tapos parang, ganun, di ba? Parang nakakatuwa talaga. Pag lumabas siya, tapos, pag lumabas siya, pero nakakatuwa siya. Di ba? Kasi pag lumabas siya, ganun, masakit siya, pero talagang worth it. Yeah!
I celebrate you. Your mind and beauty. I celebrate you. Your life and story. I celebrate you. You'll always be the queen of my heart. I celebrate you. Your wisdom guides me. I celebrate you. Your courage drives me. I celebrate you. Your strength inspires me. Every day is Mother's Day. I love my mother. I love my mother. And she's my mother. Every day is Mother's Day. I love my mother. Oh yeah, yeah. My mother. Oh, she's my mother. Every day is Mother's Day.
And we're back! Welcome sa mga bago nating subscribers and mga viewers. Ngayong gabi, feeling ko matcha-challenge ako magsalita. Kasi yung guest natin, hindi lang siya mom, hindi lang siya wife, hindi siya host, hindi lang actress. She is also known before as Speedy G. Miss G. Canlas Alemania! Hello! Miss G? Hindi, ate G. Mrs. Alemania. Yes! Ayan, Mrs. Alemania, thank you po at welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me. And nabibigay ko yung positive energy ng studio. So, I'm really excited.
Yan, thank you also for your time. Share ko lang, si G is actually the best friend of my sister, Ate Abby. Yung mga teenagers kami, pag dumadalo kami like, kala Ate Abby, lagi namin nakikita sila Ate G, sila Je. Kumaga yung mga barkada talaga nila. And so, nakita namin from the time na teenagers and now, a mom and a wife and yung buong journey ni Ate G. Sino ba si Speedy G?
You know what? It's a very spontaneous discovery. Hindi ko talaga siya inisip na talent per se. Parang before, I felt like parang freaky ata tong
Kaya bang tanggapin ko na world?
Oo, yung parang kasi si Abby, na-mention mo naman si Abby, is one of my bestest friends. She calls me a yapping chihuahua. Kasi ganon. So, na-discover ko siya during our workshops. We had a comedy workshop before. Tapos we were supposed to showcase something different about us. Tapos I've known about this for a long time na mabilis ako magsalita. Pero first time ako nag-perform in front of like huge crowd, 2007. Tapos nagulat ako kasi yung response ng mga tao, like, naalala ko ngayon, as in, na parang, as in, gano'n.
Ganun na ganun itsura namin nung pinapanood namin sa YouTube mga 10 years ago.
So, na-appreciate pala ng mga tao.
Sobrang grabe yung talent niya kasi kaya nga Speedy G. Nung ginagawa nila yung Speedy G Say What na show nila ni Ate Abby, grabe kami manood. Hindi pa uso yung mga vlog natin sa YouTube. Sila talaga yung pinapanood namin. Sila yon. So, share about your Say What journey with Ate Abby.
Well, Say What is a YouTube channel I had before. Si Abby was the director, producer, and
the VO, and
the VO, and the editor.
That's Ate Abby.
Siya yun. Tapos, ako yung minamanage niya. Yes! So, sabi niya, basta parang naalala ko, sabi niya, kasi my real name is Gazelle. So, kaya naging Speedy G. Kaya ako lang ginawang GEE, phonetically. Otherwise, parang Sarah G. Parang gano'n eh. So, GEE, ginawa akong GEE. Parang sabi niya, Gazelle, parang I feel like yung response ng tao would be really good with this.
She saw it.
She saw it. So then we just sat in her walkway, closet. Tapos, simpleng cellphone, camera lang na old school. Tapos, we just shot episodes. And then from there, nagulat kami, meron na kaming followers from Guatemala, meron na kami mga followers na wala sa Pinas. So, nakipag-collaborate na kami with Moy Moy. Ayun, ang first collaboration ko was Moy Moy Palaboy, and they were really big also on YouTube. 2010s.
Yeah.
Oo, so, and from there, nag-start na yung showbiz career after nag-host na ako. Yun na.
Mapapansin siya na parang pati ikaw kahit dinidoubt mo, hindi mapapansin siya. Speaking of Speedy G, ginagawa mo pa ba si Speedy G?
Oh, well, ngayon, I stayed away from it for a few, kasi parang nag-focus ako with my work, more on comedy yung ginagawa ko naman anyway. Pero now, I'm doing it again because I'm about to start a new campaign for project. Tapos, the persona is Speedy G. So, parang mababalik siya. Mare-resurrect siya, ganon.
Dahil mababalik ang Speedy G, pahingi naman ng isang sample para makita nila, tsaka para mabalikan nila yung mga dating videos nyo kung na-save pa. Pero, abangan nyo, kung wala, abangan nyo si Speedy G magkaka-channel ulit. Yeah. Promise, sobrang balyong-balyo kami ng mga 2010. So, mga 20s. So, yun, isang sample naman ng Speedy G.
Okay, give me a word.
So, ganito yun si Speedy G gagawin na, magbibigay ka ng word and then in 1 minute or minsan 30 seconds, basta kung ilan yung timer mo, mahagawa siya ng whatever, kung anong tungkol dun sa topic na yun.
Tapos hindi siya hindi siya planado.
Yes, hindi siya planado, hindi siya scripted. So, magbibigay lang tayo ng word sa kanya. Okay, the word is baby.
Baby? Oh my gosh!
Kahit Tagalog, okay lang.
Okay!
1, 2, 3, go!
Alam mo, totoo talaga ako, sila mo nung karoon akong baby, sabi ko talaga sa sarili ko, talaga ayoko talaga magkaroon ng baby. Tapos sabi ko, lalo ko na rin magkaroon ng baby, tapos parang, ganun, di ba? Parang nakakatuwa talaga, pag lumabas siya, pag lumabas siya, pero nakakatuwa siya, di ba? Kasi pag lumabas siya, ganun, masakit siya, pero talagang worth it. Yeah!
Last na! Ay, ako eh! Last na. Ito parang mas hype. Kape! 1, 2, 3, go!
Alam mo, dapat talaga kumintay ng kape. Alam mo siya, kasi pag umaga talaga ginawa ko, nagkakaroon ng pandesal. Tapos nagkakape ako, tapos parang naman nakakatuwa na talaga. Parang kunwari, pupunta ako sa CR, tapos gano'n na lang. Parang nakakatuwa talaga. Kasi kunwari, pag nakape ako, parang nakakatuwa. Kasi di ba, kunwari, nagbabaon mo. Pero nakakatulong siya. Pero yung sinasabi ko, dapat talaga, kunwari, naiintindihan mo yung ginagawa ng kape para sa'yo. Nakaka-hyper talaga.
Intindi ko! Thank you, Speedy G! Oh my gosh, sobrang excited na ako pag lumabas sa Speedy G. Siyempre, dito naman, pinawisan ako doon kahit sa 30 seconds.
Imagine mo ako! Ang misconception, paano yung pag nag-aaway kayo ni Archie?
Paano mo kayo mag-away? Lumalabas na lang si Kuya.
Hindi, actually, surprisingly, I'm very calm. Yeah! Pag inano ko siya ng, I'm fine. Yun lang, ganyan,
alam na yun, gets na yun. Layo ka muna.
Gano'n. Pero misconception yun. Sinasabi nila, pag nag-aaway kayo ni Archie, siguro, ginaganon ko.
Feeling nila ganun. Wifezilla. Doon na tayo sa being a wife.
Okay.
Share your love story with Kuya Archie. Kuya Archie is yun nga, kaya kuya, sobrang family talaga. Para magkapatid si Mommy and si Kuya Archie. So, lagi sila nasa bahay namin. So, talagang alam namin yung buong relationship nila. Kaya, ang saya namin na silang dalawa yung nagkatuluyan. Kasi nga, even before, naging sila na. And, eto, i-share niya yung story. Ako yung nag-share. Ayun.
Si Archie, we met on the set of I Laugh Sabado. It's a comedy show in QTV. It was 2010. I met him, tapos sabi ko sa kanya, akala ko, ano ka? I thought!
Really?
Oo, naalala ko pa. Tapos I have no idea I know who he is, pero I have no idea who he is as a person. First time ko lang siya na-meet. Akala ko ganun. Kasi sobrang formado na, alam mo yung very metrosexual yung dating. Tapos sabang tumatagal, sabi ko, ano siya, malarong brusco, ganun. Tapos there was this one time, I went to the receiving area. We were all having breakfast early in the set. Di ba mag-hi ka sa mga tao pagpasok mo ng set? Nagulat ako, binuhat niya ako, tapos naalala ko talaga, he twirled me around.
Bakit kinikilig na ako agad? Pero sige, go.
Nagulat ako, he twirled me around. Tapos sabi ko, tapos ito itsura ko talaga. Twirl niya ako, tapos sila Paolo Paraiso, sila Seth Cadeona. Sabi ko, ano nangyayari?
Oh my God!
Ganun kasi twirl niya ako. Tapos, sabi niya, na-miss kita. Sabi ko, na-miss niya ako. Tapos, parang ganon. And then, eventually, I got to know him. Parang, he's not how he seems. Na maloko lang siya, ganon. Pero he has a sensitive side. Shortly after that, getting to know stage, sabi niya sa akin, parang, I think you're different from the other relationships I had. Sabi ko, bakit? Sabi niya, kasi in-introduce mo ako kay God. Tapos, that was the beginning of our relationship. Back in 2010. It started from that show.
Wala nang nasabi, hintay na lang. Grabe, 2010.
Yeah.
Sobrang tagal na.
Pero hindi namin siya masyado napapag-usapan. But we were together 2010 to 2012. And it didn't work out. Yeah, I mean, 2010 to 2012, it didn't work out. And then for 7 years, we were apart. And then, we didn't talk for the whole time kasi it was a bad breakup. Tapos, yun na yung nakilala niya kayo. Tapos, we were separate. We were going our separate ways.
And then we would be with you then sometimes with sila Ate Abby. Then we would be with him sa kahit nung hiwalay na kayo.
Nagulat ako actually. Nagulat ako nung nalaman ko, kasi sobrang close nga kami ni Abby, di ba? Parang randomly sabi niya, you'll never guess who's at the family dinner.
Pwede ba ikwento yun? Nang-away si Ate. Inaway ni Ate Abby si Kuya Archie.
Oo, kasi nga pinagtatanggol niya ako. Sabi niya, you'll never guess who. Tapos sabi ko, who? Archie. Sabi ko, what?
Yeah. And then we were neighbors.
Yeah.
Naging close si Mommy tsaka si Kuya Archie because of a show naman in ABS.
Yeah.
And then that's when he started going to our house. And then parang kakaiwalay nila ni G. So feeling ko, kami yung nahanap niyang comfort. Yung family namin.
He speaks highly of your mom, your family, loves you guys, everyone in the family. Kaya sinasabi nga niya na, sabi ko, so ibig sabihin all this time na hindi tayo nag-uusap, andiyan ka na sa village! Andiyan ka na sa village!
Ano lang siya, literal.
Oo, tapos first time ko siya nakita ulit was actually with your dad's way. Hindi kami okay. Tapos, naalala ko si Abby, lumabas na naman. Lumabas siya, tapos sabi niya, lumabas. Tapos sabi niya, huwag ka magre-react. Nandiyan si Archie. Sabi ko, oh my God! Alam mo yung parang, sabi ko, kasi hindi pa tayo close, hindi pa tayo nag-uusap. So, sabi ko, bakit? Ba't siya nandyan? Tapos nasa hospital, nasa wake. Sabi ko,
kainuman ng tatay ko si Kuya Archie.
So, ko siya pinansin. Tapos, it would be another 2 years na nagparamdam na siya.
Lagi kang nasa town and country, may feeling na kami may kinikita na. Oo. So, ano lang, share ko lang, sana hindi magtampo yung mga kapatid ko. Nung time na nagkakabalikan na tong dalawang to, ako yung isa sa mga may alam.
Yeah. Siya yung first.
As in, sinabi niya, wag mo sabihin kay Ika dahil magtatampo siya, dahil paborito. And, wag mo sabihin kay Abby. Siya yung nagbilid sa akin. So, sorry guys. Ako, kung anong sinabi nila, makikinig lang ako.
Hindi, tsaka sabi ko, wag mong sasabihin muna. Tapos sabi niya, sinabi ko kay Ina. Sabi ko, bakit mo sinabi kay Ina? Hindi pa kami ready. Kasi nagkabalikan kami after 7 years. Tapos, parang...
Nagkaroon ng event si ate. Tapos nagkita tayo lahat doon.
Nagkita. So, I'm skipping. Pero, what happened was, na-reveal namin sa family nyo. Unexpectedly. Kasi, parang everyone didn't know. Yes. Tapos, nung nakita kami together, bigla na lang ako inalikan ni Archie. Tapos sila Ika, everyone was like, oh, like, kayo uli? Tapos, it was so much fun. Yeah. I remember. It was 2 years after nagparamdam siya ulit. Tapos, nag-Christian na siya. Tapos sabi ko, ikaw? Parang, maloko pa din siya, pero there was a reason why the relationship before didn't last. Nagka-clash kami parati. Up till now, being husband and wife, you still get your disagreements.
Parang
toxic.
now kasi you've grown na and matured.
Yeah, nag-mature na.
In the relationship.
Tapos nagulat, nag-text siya sa akin. Text siya sa Instagram. Sabi niya, parang, can we have a coffee or dinner? Tapos, before noon, nagpadala siya ng selfie niya. Imagine mo yung ang tagal-tagal mo hindi nakita yung tao. Tapos, papadala ka ng selfie. Anong interest ko dyan? Hindi nga kita sinustok eh. Hindi ko nga tinitingnan yung Instagram, tapos mukha mo yung bubuga.
Saka talaga dumating kami sa point na, wait, Ate Abby, nandiyan ba si G? Kasi pupunta si Kuya Archie. Events namin, pupunta ba si Kuya Archie? Kasi si G daw pupunta. Ganon, nagkaroon ng ganong moment. Kasi nga,
we were
sobrang
not okay.
close nung family. Fairness naman, kahit nagkakaroon times na nakikita kayo, di lang sila nagpapansinan. Pero hindi...
It was civil naman. Yeah. Tapos yun, nakita ko yung mukha niya. Tapos yung mukha pa niya nun, alam mo yung selfie na yung parang... Sabi ko,
Nagpapakute.
oo, kailangan ba ako magwapuhan dito? Tapos, di sabi niya, cafe tayo or dinner, ganyan. Tapos, sabi ko, it took me 3 weeks before I replied. I didn't reply, pero I made sure na sininzone ko siya.
Ayan.
Tapos di ako nag-reply. Tapos sabi ko, tinanong ko yung mom ko, sabi ko, ma, should I reply to him? Feeling ko, ikakasal. Kasi wala akong alam sa kanya talaga. Ang last na alam ko, may girlfriend siya. Wala, hindi ko siya sinustalk, wala kahit ano. I had no idea about him at all. So, sabi ni, akala ko,
And we're talking about like 7 years.
7 years na walang usap. So, sabi ni mama, sabi niya, just, you know, total, hindi naman siya, kumbaga, enough time has passed by, just hear him out. Kung kunwari closure to, kasi we didn't have the right closure, edi, sige, pakinggan mo siya. Tapos, nung nagkita kami, syempre nagpaganda ang girl, di ba? Syempre talagang nag-plan siya ng buhok. Yung I want you to see me at my best self, ganyan. Tapos, pag upo ko, I made sure, sabi ko, hindi ako mag-order. Hindi ako mag-order ng food. Tatanin ko lang kung anong gusto niya. Tapos, most probably, I thought it was because, yun nga, he's getting married, he wants to close all, ganyan. Tapos, sasabihin ko lang sa kanya, ang plano ko talaga was say, I forgive you.
This was your plan.
Oo, na parang, I forgive you, okay na tayo. Yun lang talaga. Tapos nung tinanong ko siya, sabi ko, why do you want to see me? Sabi ko, for what? Kasi wala na akong nakikitang reason. And then, ang una niyang bungan sa akin was, I still feel something for you. So sabi ko, parang, 7 years. Tapos, sabi ko, why do you say that? Tapos sabi niya, napapaginipan kita. Sabi ko, okay. Tapos sabi niya, do you feel something for me also? Yakadiri yung pabebe ko! Kasi ang sabi ko,
Wait lang hindi kasi ako sure.
Tapos naalala ko, response ko was, maybe.
Yeah! At least may maybe.
Oo, kasi
may chance naman.
may chance naman, Mr. Element. So there, parang we started as friends again. I got to know him and the new him. Nanligaw siya again, so to speak. A year later, we got married na. Feeling ko, it's just timing.
God's perfect timing.
God's perfect timing. And also, if it weren't for the break, I don't think we would be together by now. No. If kunwari we stuck it out, eventually we would break din eh. We needed that space to
Grabe, galing.
yeah, to realize na we were meant for each other.
Magkabalikan was not an option before.
No.
Kaya lahat gulat na gulat, di ba? Nagpasal sila? What happened?
Pero it was on my vows na sabi ko, I didn't realize na I dated. I dated during the 7 years. Wala akong naging boyfriend. I dated. I didn't realize na while I was dating, na yung qualities niya, yung hinahanap ko. Basta may qualities
You realized it afterwards.
Oh, afterward.
Yung mga
It was
dinidate
him.
ko, siya pala yung hinahanap ko. May ganun.
It was him, all along.
Tama, totoo yun.
Naku, ang laki naman ang ulo ni Archie pag napanood niya to. Oh my God.
What made you realize that Kuya Archie is the one?
There's just a factor on how hindi ko siya mahindian. Parang there's not one quality that I can say na ito lang yung reason kung bakit siya yung it's him as a whole. Na yun nga, like I said, na I tried to look for those qualities in other people. Pero it's him as a whole. I've never felt that way. That's how I would answer that question. Na no one else made me feel the way he made me feel. So, you made me feel.
I love it. How did you build a very healthy relationship with Kuya Archie's kids?
Kasi di ba naging kami 2010. So, yung mga anak niya were like 4 years old at the time, 4, 7, mga ganong edad. I remember, I would even tutor the kids for math. Kahit di ako magaling sa math, napapa-division ako, napapa-x to the power of ganun. Sabi ko, that's love. Kasi parang it's like, okay. So by the time na nagkabalikan kami, nung 2018, late 2018, by the time nagkabalikan kami, meron ako na-establish na relationship with those kids. So they know me as Tita G from before pa. Naalala ko, nag-stick to sa akin eh. Kasi nung sinabi ni Archie na ikakasal na kami sa mga bata, good choice, good choice. So parang ako like, okay.
Okay, at least, yun naman I think pinaka-importante.
It's a weird feeling of achievement for me. Kasi,
Oh yes, for sure.
yeah, kasi I feel like it's not for everyone na to embrace insta-mom ang tawag.
Yes,
na
ikaw ang insta-mom.
Insta-mom, na parang, alam mo yun, the minute you agree to a relationship with a person who has kids, you become a parent. And I hated kids.
Oh yeah, yun nga. She hated kids so much. As in talagang, I don't know, so parang hindi ko matanggap. One conversation lang to sa event ni Ate Abby. Lagi event ni Ate Abby. Isa sa mga event ni Ate Abby, ganon. Sabi, parang yun yung topic, kids. Parang sabi mo, oh my God, I don't know. I just hate them. I hate babies. Dito sabi niya babies kasi hindi niya alam paano alagaan. Tapos nakita kami, mommy na siya. Sabi ko, Ate G, naalala ko, sabi mo, hate mo babies. And then, yun na, eto na, how did Caleb change your life?
Very, very much.
Grabe.
When I say na I hate kids, it's hindi naman yung parang sasaktan ko sila or what.
Hindi.
Pero I'm the type na parang
hindi gano'n na.
Hindi naman
Alam niyo yung parang, hindi ko kayang ganito, hindi ko alam kung kaya ko, ganun yung mga ano niya nun, hindi ko alam kung kaya mag-alaga, no, hindi, maingay, ganun
like, I would be the type.
Hindi naman yung...
Mananapak ako ng bata, di ba? Pero I remember, kunwari, sa sinihan or sa church, pag nakakarinig ako ng mga batang umiiyak.
Sinabi mo rin yan.
Pag nakakarinig ako mga batang umiiyak, I would do this, like literally, like, why? Why? Bring your kids. You know it's a cinema. Or kunwari, iwan mo sa akin yung anak mo, gano'n. Titignan ko lang siya. Titignan ko lang. Sige, laro ka dyan. Ganon. Caleb, I knew that the time would come. Pero, ang prayer ko lang was, sana i-ready ni God yung heart ko to be a mom. I don't know why, but it was blind trust, if you can call it that, na I would step to the challenge, step up to the challenge of being a mom. So, when Caleb came, I was in labor for 21 hours. I was in labor for 21 hours. The hospital didn't have bawal ang cellphone.
Is this the... Sorry, magbabanggit kami ng hospital.
Oo! Oh my God! Oh my God! Ba't alam mo?
$60 ako mag-isa. Wala na asawa ko.
Hindi ko maintindihan. Alam mo, bawal ang... Tapos, yung mga nurse nagfe-Facebook, tapos nag-game. Sabi ko, bakit ako bawal?
I-blip na lang yung hospital, pero...
Hindi ko maintindihan. Meron akong fantasy. May fantasy ako na...
Of how?
Nakasama ko si Archie. Na habang gumaganyan ka. Tapos siya yung...
Exactly.
Diba? Tapos ako lang mag-isa.
Grabe.
Tapos 21 hours na I remember, I wanna share it because kung paano pinaghirapan ilabas, it's the start of a mother's sacrifice. Like 21 hours. Tapos hindi ko namalayan, 5 hours pala ako nagpo-push.
Oh my
to
God.
no avail. Kasi I didn't dilate the full 10.
Yes.
Hanggang 8 lang ako. Tapos until the doctor said to me na we have to deliver Caleb na. Kasi emergency CS na because he's compromised already.
Yes.
And I remember, sabi ko, imagine mo ha, yung contrast of a person not liking kids to a person saying, Doc, gawin mo na. Basta kahit alam, gawin mo na. Basta okay siya, okay siya. Tapos, I'm scared of delivery rooms. I'm scared of operation. Tapos I remember when they were wheeling me to the operating room, akala ko mamamatay na ako. Kasi ang sakit-sakit talaga. Tapos nag-blackout ako. Pero bago ako nag-blackout, sabi ko dun sa nurse, pwede pong pa-picture. Nakapag-pa-picture pa ako.
Gusto ko yan, gusto ko.
Pwede magpa-picture. Tapos I made sure na may lashes ako! May lashes ako!
Ako din. Gusto ko yan.
Kasi alam ko yun yung bawi ko. So, meron ako mga exciting photos na of him being birthed. I found out after na hindi pala ako pinatulog, nahimatay na lang ako. As in, tinanong, it was supposed...
Super pagod na.
Sobrang in pain. Tapos, I didn't even know that they did my epidural. I didn't know. So, it was that much pain. So, I passed out from that. And then, the next thing I know, naka-video to sa vlog ko nag-vlog ako nito where's Caleb? Yun yung una kong sinabi. Where's Caleb when I woke up? And then, the minute I held him in my chest, alam mo yung feeling na surreal, na para akong lumulutang sa labas ng katawan ko. Kasi parang, like, wow, parang, hindi siya nangyayari sa akin, yung gano'n. I have a baby! The 9 months na inano ko siya, it was a process of adjusting to the idea. He made my heart bigger. Ang room in my heart before was family, friends, boyfriend. Yun lang naman di ba? Pero that enlarged my heart. Yung capacity to love.
You never thought he would, someone like him, no? Would do that. What is your message for Caleb?
For my son, isi-save ko to. para mapakita ko sa kanya. For me, be strong but kind. Kasi it's rare to bring up human beings into decent human beings and be a kind man. Be strong, be kind, and love God. For me, when you watch this, just remember na your qualities as a man relies in your identity with God. So, if you know your identity with God, you'll be strong, you'll be kind, and you'll be all of those wonderful things in between. Basta mag-focus ka sa relationship mo with God.
Message or advice to our fellow mothers?
Our fellow like we're one big club.
Welcome to the club, guys. So yeah, message and advice to our fellow mothers and also our viewers.
Ang dami kasing pwedeng sabihin, pero...
PDG mo.
For me, take care of yourselves. Kasi if you're happy, you can make your family and your kids happy. If you're not taking care of yourself, how can you take care of others? It's like you're emptying your cup and you have nothing left to fill. Don't forget who you are. Ako, yun yung na-realize ko eh. Sabi ko, even if I became a mom, ako pa rin si G. Ako pa rin yung same person with added lessons in life, wiser, pero yung essence ko as myself, there were times I forgot. And then, kasi in the busyness of it all, or
especially when you're taking care of someone else, you tend to forget or become a robot.
You're going through the motions, diba? Lalo na as a new mom.
Always check in.
Always check in on yourself. Because if you're happy, you can make other people happy. The more you pour into yourself, the more you can give to others.
Grabe. Thank you. Actually, yun na yung last question natin.
Okay. Thank you for having me.
Thank you, Mrs. Alemania. Ang tagal natin inantay umabot dyan.
I know.
Thank you so much. So, G, please invite our viewers.
You can follow me on my socials, Gcanlas, GTV, Facebook and YouTube, GEETV. Miss Gcanlas on my TikTok and Gcanlas on Instagram. Also, if you want to watch comedy, you can watch every day on TV5 and Buko Channel Balitawanan every 7 p.m.
And before we end, I would like to thank our following sponsors. Ayan, our first sponsor, my first, para sa ating guest spotlight.
Wow!
Thank you so much.
I love
this
makeup.
Is for you.
Thank you, thank you.
For our food, Kusina Estefania, Farinas, Ilocos Empanada, and of course, the Brew Pod for our coffee. Thank you sa masarap na coffee. Makeup by Chardy for my hair and makeup. Of course, Miss Cara Zapatos. Miss Cara Zapatos for my shoes. Cliff Point Studio for our beautiful studio today. And I would like to thank, of course, my production team, AAA Digital Production and Studio Manila. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And this is Behind the Scenes with Ina, where every day is Mother's Day.
So much to you and so I celebrate you. Your mind and beauty. Celebrate you. Your life and story. Celebrate you. You'll always be the queen of my heart. I celebrate you. Your wisdom guides me. Celebrate you. Your courage drives me. Celebrate you. Your strength inspires me. It's Mother's Day here. Celebrate you.